Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, also the Crypto Jew on Twitter, and today I'm going to be doing an analysis on ENJ. So to get started, I put a bit of analysis on this chart already. Over here, I show a double bottom, which led to this pump of, I believe, around 100% if you go down to over here. I'm not going to go down to as low as the wick, but we made over 100% on this. I actually called this around 5.5 cents, I believe. I believe we were right in this zone over here, the top of this circle that I drew. We made about 82% profit in my group chat when we called this. So if you guys want analysis like this, you should definitely check out the chat. I'm going to show you guys a pattern that I see over here, which could have easily helped you spot this, an inverse head and shoulders pattern right over here. And that broke out right in this zone right around here. Easy pattern right there. And I believe that we are heading right back into this zone over here. So we failed to breach this resistance up here around 10.5 cents. All-time highs over the summer were around 20, 24 cents, something like that. We were all the way up over here. This was the highest that we got to recently, about around 25 cents. This was back in mid-March, around March 9th, March 10th, 2019. And we've come all the way down to here, and that's where we had that double bottom. And right around this time, we had the Microsoft announcement. How convenient. We also have a partnership with Samsung, and we have more partnerships in the works from what I've heard. But no matter what, after a pump like this, you're always going to have some sort of correction. So I believe over here, we're going to retest this zone again as we are having trouble breaching this resistance. Looks like some sort of double top over here. I wouldn't be surprised if we come over here and then bounce back again in order to test this resistance, maybe pull back a little before coming above it again and then testing this zone or going right past it and going higher, right back to our previous highs of 20 to 24 cents. But before something like that really happens, before we see what happens at this support and we see if we go lower or not, it's hard to make that prediction. But I believe that if this holds and we get past here, we definitely have this resistance next to test. So in due time, we will figure out what will happen there. But if this resistance does not hold, I would say we are definitely going to have to retest this zone over here in order to create some sort of triple bottom. As you see over here, we have the double bottom, and a really bullish pattern would be a triple bottom. So we have that really strong support right in this zone. So that's something we could really rely on. If this area does not hold, I will definitely be adding a position over here. And if this area does hold and looks very bullish, that would be definitely a great area to add to your position or to open a position. I recommended selling right around 9.5 cents. I believe we're right around here, probably dumping from there. I realized there was a bearish divergence, and I realized we were going to go down from here. And I actually saw this on the 30-minute chart. If you guys look at my previous video, probably from maybe a week, 2 weeks ago, you'll see I drew, we had a rising wedge on this pattern. And I'll draw for you guys again right over here. Just like that. We broke out underneath. It may have looked a bit cleaner on my other chart, but as you can see, it fell out underneath, came all the way back down to here, and then we bounced off over here, and we tried to get past this zone again, and we failed. So now we're heading back to this zone, and to me that seems pretty evident. So if you guys want to keep updated on this ENJ analysis, I'm going to have a written analysis on my website. We just posted the analysis in the group chat as well, and you guys should follow me on Twitter. So make sure you join the chat, follow me on Twitter, sign up on the site. You guys never want to miss analysis. We always post different sort of details on different platforms. Sometimes I'll forget to go over a certain detail on YouTube that I went over in the group chat. So it's definitely good to be following me on all these platforms just for that sake. And if you guys are looking to buy ENJ with a trading discount, use the links down below to sign up for the exchanges. That way you'll get a trading discount. And if you use my Coinbase link, you'll get $10 in free Bitcoin. I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think of Enjin. Take care, guys.